Tama-tama yung pangalan. Original Filipino cuisine. Orig talaga. I'm inviting you to go to the original Filipino cuisine. Napakasarap po. Ha? Kailangan mag-take out ako.
This episode of Mac and Tour is a memorable experience because JT's Manukan Girl team, led by JT's himself, Sir Joel Torre, went with us on our culinary adventure. Seeking to showcase the best of Filipino cuisine, they turned to the Titos of Mark and Thoughts for recommendations on standout Filipino food stalls here in Singapore. After thoughtful consideration, we chose Filipino Cuisine Limbang, celebrated for its long-standing presence in the business, delicious offerings, and consistent quality that has garnered rave reviews. This selection highlights a Filipino food establishment that we can truly be proud of, promising participants a taste of authentic flavors and culinary heritage. During their visit, they met the couple owners at Tia Lisa and Kuya Cesar, who welcomed them with warmth and kindness. Their accommodating demeanor truly embodied the spirit of Filipino hospitality, making everyone feel at home and creating a memorable experience. The admins of Overseas Filipino Entrepreneur page joined us on our tour and truly enjoyed the delicious food prepared for us. If you're interested in seeing full video of this feature, be sure to keep an eye on the upcoming upload on JT's Manukan Grill Singapore Facebook page.
Oiso!
Ayun na pala. Oo. Isang letter lang. Hindi, ano lang, online lang. Sa doon, kahit siguro mga isang linggo lang. Kasi lokal ka, di ba? Katulad ko, hindi mga PR, hindi rin kami pwedeng pambalance. Hindi kahit kano.
Yan ang wala
sige
na
lang.
nakaraan.
Uy, tama. Pero may basta ko dyan sa... Thank you. Thank you. Tapos ang makikita ko. Kaya signature lang. Ano yun? Di ba sa sex ganun din? Uy!
Yops. Ayun siya nag-express.
Wala.
Everything is good daw. Tama-tama yung pangalan. Original Filipino cuisine. Orig talaga. I'm inviting you to go to the original Filipino cuisine. Napakasarap po. Ha? Kailangan mag-take out ako.
Yung dito sa Bikutan, yung anong sisig?
Sige naman i-estimate. Ano daw east. Balik kung nasa east ka na, Rizal. Yung Laguna di na yung daan. Hindi ano, Cayetano. Talagang doon ka talaga.
Dito tayo sa original Filipino cuisine at kasama po natin ang may-ari, si Ate Lisa and Kuya Cesar. Sila po may-ari and sila ang owner ng napakasarap ng Filipino food and original na original. I will invite you to come over the original Filipino cuisine. Cesar, Ate Lisa, kamusta po kayo? Okay, sige.
We started, then ako kahit paano may and I was influenced by my lola. So nung bata ako, napapanood ko siya paano luto and later and si Lisa to be back in teachers ako.
The Titos and Titas of Muck and Thoughts went to the northwest side of Singapore to visit the Filipino food stall we had been wanting to try for a long time. Finally, we had the pleasure of meeting Ate Liza of the original Filipino cuisine, who welcomed us with her warm kindness and accommodating demeanor. Alongside her husband, Kuya Cesar, who helps out at the stall, they truly embody the spirit of Filipino hospitality. If you're craving authentic Filipino food in this part of Singapore, look no further than Filipino Cuisine Limbang, where delicious dishes are offered at very reasonable prices. You'll find every classic dish you can think of, from pork sisig and pork liempo to lechon kawali, pork adobo, beef caldereta, and Bicol Express. Each bite feels like a comforting taste of home in the Philippines. We particularly love the thick and flavorful papaitan, which we rank among the very best in Singapore. Don't miss the Paris Overload, it's a must-try. Their lumpiang toge, paired with homemade vinegar, is also a delightful treat. We highly recommend this spot to Hungry Pinoy SG. It's truly authentic Filipino cuisine you can be proud of. Located conveniently near UT or Chua Chu Kang MRT, they also offer island-wide delivery through Grab, making it easy to enjoy these incredible flavors from the comfort of your home.
Bank Center.
Mamaya na yung umuusok. Lumpiang Shanghai. Hindi yan. Babainang parang may natikman. Kailangan pag daw nagluluto lakas. Tsaka yung thinking kasi
Ano kasi yung video?
gusto niya na yung yung pwesto. Nung running na yung renewal ko.
Nag-bookcat ako, pero nag-bookcat ako. Wala kasi ECE. Meron lang noon, electrical engineering. So hindi ako sumama doon sa mga
Eh di sana kumuha ka na lang ng kung anong isang...
Hindi, sana nga daw ang ginawa ko. Kumuha ko ng...
Kaya nawala ako dito sa seconded ako sa Brunei.
Sana.
Thank you po.
Baka naglilihin na kayo, ha? Wala si Chito, ito yung mga gustong fruity. Sabi nga nila, Lolo. Pare, naman. Chad. Chad.
Crizel.
Hello, mix po.
Ito, gusto mo?
Order ko kayo pag
Hindi. Dalawang klase kasi yung ina-accept na delivery. Minsan, tatawagin nila ako pag namamahalan sila sa Grab. Ate, ipapagrab ko. Magkalapit kami ng bahay.
May technique pala yun.
Jen, nauwi na rin.
Kasi namin, sabi ng husband, isipin ko ang dito sa satisfied.
Kami, malamang kami ako dito. Makuha yan. Yes, yeah.
Dami kasi sa bangko ko, lipat lang ako. Tapos matagal ako sa bangko.